Hello everyone, my name is Hilary Chin. Today we want to show you how to interact between PowerPoint and Excel, especially when you want to create visuals. Okay, visuals, we are talking about bar chart, pie chart, etc. And also many people have got to me and say, oh Hilary, we have a project, we wanted to present this in a chart, and we don't know how to do it. So it's very simple. You can use Word document, you can use Excel, you can use PowerPoint. So today we want to use PowerPoint. It's simple. When you come on PowerPoint here, you always have what you call a new slide here. Okay, choose the blank slide. Once you choose the blank slide, it gives you this space here. Just come up to insert, and then you go to your chart immediately and you click. Choose a chart that you want. Many times I always recommend column chart and also bar charts. These are very, very important charts. They really interact properly with many, if you are dealing with different options, especially with indicators that you want to engage with. And you click column chart and then you click OK. It automatically goes and bring Excel. You see, that is it. These tools are very, very interactive. They communicate with one another very, very easy. So this is how Microsoft has designed it, and this is how it's helping many people out there present their visuals. So right here, let's say you already have the data on a paper or on your project form or on your wherever you have it. You just need to be very creative right here. Right here, this is the default state of our data, and under here, let's say you are dealing with countries, okay? And let's say you want to look at the country A, which is Cameroon. You want to look at country B, which is Nigeria. You see, you want to look at country C, which is Ghana. I want to look at country E, which is which is Kenya. You see now. So you must take note. You see that this area here, once I started writing, it started changing from here. It means this down area here represents countries, okay, depending on the data I want to put in. And then up here, let's say we want to look at the sales. We also want to look at the cost of the product that they have been selling. We also want to look at the profit, okay? Good. You see? So it makes life easy for you. See, once I started writing, it started changing here. It means automatically it starts telling me sales represent blue, cost represent red, and profit represent green, okay? Right here, this is a default state. And then now I want us to create our formulas here. I really want us to create our formulas. Let me just do this quick. Just select all this and you press delete from your machine. You see, it removes everything. You see now that there is no flesh found here. Okay, there's no flesh. So if I begin to put figures here, you start seeing some flesh, you start seeing some columns here. So I want to first create a small formula. So if I say equals, each time you want to click formulas in these tools, especially Excel, you start with equals to. If I say sales here minus cost, and you click enter, okay, it already gives me total here. So if I say we bought this, we spent 200 buying for Cameroon and we sold it 300, 300, 300. You see now, we say we bought this one maybe 100 and we sold it 50. So we are getting some losses there. You see minus. So we bought this one 300, sold it 600. You see now profit. So we bought this one maybe 200. No, sorry. We bought it 200 and sold it maybe 100. You see that we have minus 100 here, and there's something I want you to take note of here right now. You see that it tells us that right here Kenya is making a lose in terms of profit, so it gives us a minus down here. So if I add data label here, it tells us minus 100. You see that our column is showing down. Okay, I think this is an additional tip on this video that you need to learn. Okay, and to bring these figures here, you just need to click on those visuals and then you go down to add data label, and then it brings all the data label to you right here. You see, so all the data label have been transferred from here right to your visuals. Okay, I can still click here and then I just click delete. You see, it makes my data even cleaner, and I can also click here and I right click and I see click delete. It makes my data even cleaner. Okay, and this is just how you can interact with PowerPoint and also Excel at the same time to start creating visuals. I can still change my arrows here and then it gives me this, and I just cover this up to see what I have here so we can see what we really have here. You see, so this is how you can present your visual and explain to people now, telling them where you are making losses, telling them where you are making profits. Okay, in Kenya we are making some losses, in Nigeria we are making some losses, minus 50, in Kenya minus 100, but in Ghana we are making some profit here, which is 300 I think, and also in Cameroon we are making some profit which is 100. Okay, so this is how you can interact with your PowerPoint and also Excel and begin to present data in a more professional and more amazing way, using very easy steps like what I just did here. Thank you all very much, and keep watching and keep following us. We look forward to seeing you in the other videos. Stay blessed.